Welcome back to my channel, my A1 day ones. So it is nighttime and I just got off of work and I decided to make this video. It's gonna be kind of short, but I am, like I told you guys in my last video, that I'm going on a protective style hair journey, and I decided to do box braids. I was gonna put a sew-in my hair, but I changed my mind. So I'm actually gonna teach you guys, well, I'm actually gonna show you guys what I do to prep my hair for box braids. Now usually I will go get my hair done, but I'm on a budget. That's alarming. Hey, give me this. Nah, you gotta wait. I do have a video on here of my wash day routine, so you guys can go look at that video. And again, I'm sorry for the lighting, just because it's like 10 o'clock at night. So I washed my hair like a week ago. I really don't like to wash my hair and do it. Okay, I really don't like to wash my hair and then blow it out and start box braiding. That's just too much for me. So what I'll do is I'll wash my hair the week before and just put the gel on my hair to like lay it down, and then my hair will stay in 2-strand twists for the rest of the week, and until today I'll take it out and it'll be stretched. And this is my hair stretched, and I don't have any flakes or any of that, so I'm fine. If I did have flakes, then it would have been a problem, because I literally did not put nothing on my hair, like no leave-in conditioner, no moisturizer, none of that. I just left it in the 2-strand twist. The kind of hair that I've gotten for this is this kind of hair. So it's pre-cut, pre-feathered, pre-stretched, pre-layered. And I like to get the pre-stretched hair because that's what the professionals use when I go get my hair done. So it's already pre-stretched. I got 2 packs of these because I don't know if I'm gonna need some more. I plan on 1 pack should be fine, because I do cut them in half because they are 30 inches long and I'm not wearing no 30-inch hair. So yeah, so basically what I do is that's what I have. I will take it out, separate it. I'll show you guys all of that. I really don't have to pick my hair out, but I'll pick it out just in case. If y'all haven't seen my video on how I grew my hair in a year, you should go watch that video, because this is all my new growth from me being bald, from my hair being shaved to the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair. Now when I get my hair ready for box braids, I part my hair into 4 sections. And the reason why I do that is because it's much easier for me, and to me I feel like it's faster if I go ahead and part my hair in 4 sections. Now I put this little clip in the back because my back is still a little bit short, so it doesn't fit all into a ponytail. So now my hair is into 4 crickets. They're in 4 cricket ponytails, but listen, it's fine. I'd rather, this one is so far up, but hold on, that's gonna irk me. But yeah, so I just do my hair into sections. Yeah, these are the sections that I do now. I do my top last because that's the top part of my hair. I do it last. And it depends on how I'm feeling. I'll do the sides. Now, for when I do start doing my hair, I will moisturize each section. So right now, I'm going to use the Defining Curl Custard. Yeah, I'm going to use the Define Curl Custard. I would use the Main Choice Seal It cream that I have. And sorry, my contacts are like old, and so that's why my eyes is, that's why I look like that. But I don't feel like getting up right now, so I'm going to moisturize each section with this and then put it back in the section. So Curl Defining Curl La. This. I'm using this because I just don't have anything else to use right now. And to be honest with you, I got the Aunt Jackie's curl and the gel and the leave-in flaxseed, something like that. I don't like these products. Like, this is so watered down to me. It doesn't add no moisture that I like to my hair. It adds moisture to my hair, but the type of moisture that I like, it doesn't add enough. Which I'm glad this is not the only thing I use, but this is for prepping my hair, so it's enough for my hair. It's enough to be on my hair to get ready for it to prep, because I don't want my hair to be just dry. And the reason why I do this is because I don't wash my hair the week I'm thinking about doing my hair. I wash it the week before, and that week it's in a twist, 2-strand twist all week. I don't put no product in it besides the gel I use to put it down, to slick it down. So by me putting this on my hair, it's just bringing back moisture to my hair. So my hair can have some moisture when I start doing it. Cause you know, when you go to the salon, like, your hair be washed and blow dried out, and they'll just wash it. I mean, they'll just do it They won't put no type of moisturizer, no nothing on there. Which is a good thing because, which is not a good thing because that's how some people's hair don't grow. But you want your hair to be at least moisturized inside the braid when you do it. So that's what I'm doing. As long as you, I feel like as long as you have something that's moisturizing to your hair or brings moisture to your hair, you should be fine. Some people put like, when they do their box braids, they do gel. I don't put gel on my hair when I do my box braids because I feel that that's not, it's more slippery and it causes my hair to come loose, to whereas my hair is just moisturized, dry and moisturized, if that makes sense. It works better. Like, I feel like if I'm getting goddess braids or something, that's when gel should be on my hair. But this is like individual plaits, so you just really need your hair moisturized. And I know some of you probably like, well, that's not gonna be enough. But I also put oil. I oil my scalp. But yeah, I oil my scalp with the wild hair growth oil every other day. Sometimes I do it every day. But I'll do that last. So now my hair is ready for me to do some box braids. And that is how I prep my hair for my box braids. So I am going to do another video on how to do box braids. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.